Thank you for buying this 15585 corrugated baler from Fixture Displays. I'm going to show you how this machine operates and maintained in this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You can email us cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Dimensions of this unit is 59 inches long, 24.5 inches deep, and 90 inches tall. This item we do keep in stock, but on occasion, when they are out of stock, take about 2 to 3 months to arrive. The service box has a lock worked in that fashion, and keys are inside. You can lock that and put your key away. And this is the switch or circuit breaker. We want to connect your hot wire and neutral. Hot is on the left, neutral is on the right. Make sure you have a certified electrician do that. Make sure you tug as well, so that the wire is secured properly. Certainly you want to route your wire to the side, not dangling like that. And this is the power button. Just push to turn it on. Now we have some corrugated ready to bale to demonstrate. Now we have filled. And usually, this would take many compressions to create a bale. We're just demonstrating. And this is a on button. And once you do that, and then stop, and then up and down, and this stop the up and down operation. And this is emergency stop. The up and down are all automatic. In other words, you press once, they would come to a full stop by itself. And later I'm going to show you how to set the pressure. And this is an up and down light indicator. It goes with it. You don't have to do anything. That's just an indicator of it's going down or stopped. As you can see right now it's operating, it's lit, and when it stops, the light turns off. And this would kill the motor, so it no longer spin. Only in that time you can open the gate. And this is the bale. Now make sure you have wires ready, and we're going to give you links of this wire that we also sell. So cut to length, that's sufficient, and insert through the small slot. And usually you want to keep the top plate compressed against the bale as well. In this demo, the lady didn't do so. That's actually incorrect, because you want to keep the pressure on to keep the bale small. And remember, always put a flat sheet in the bottom so that when you bale, your unit stays together, versus there are too many small pieces may fall apart. So tie the wire, usually 2 or 3 locations depending how big your bale and how heavy it is. Now we have the bale. It's really loose and small. Usually you can do a lot tighter than that. As you can see, there is a panel that the side door is somewhat flexible, that give you room to manipulate the doors. Again, these buttons, this is motor on, motor off. And once in on position, this is up and down, and stop. So although they are automatic up and down, you can stop where you wish. And this is the emergency brake that will turn everything off in case of an emergency. And you'll turn to re-engage. This is where you, after you turn off your machine, you can adjust the pressure level. The bigger the number, the higher the pressure, and therefore tighter your bale. If you're happy where it's at already, you don't have to bother with any of these. But if you want a tighter bale, that's how you would adjust. And this is the cover for the hydraulic oil. Make sure you fill to proper level. And this filter, we're going to show you, need to be cleaned from time to time. This is the drain. And this is oil indicator. So make sure you familiarize yourself with that, and the maintenance instructions pasted on the label to the left. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Again, this is a close-up of the oil level. This is a pressure gauge. When you go over to the red zone, that's where you want to be careful because that may burn your motor. To clean the filter, you simply take it out, clean it out, and then put it back. There are a few screws. They are M12. You can take off to access another filter. And I'm going to show you a close-up. It's hard to photograph, but I'm going to show you. So once they are propped up, use some wood, and this is the filter connection. The filter already taken out, and that's where you would put it back in. And this is the filter. It looks huge, but actually really small when you zoom out. To clean that, make sure there's no debris, no dirty buildups, and then you can screw that back in there. That's where it belongs. I encourage you to browse Fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. The bale size will be 31.5 inches by 16 and by 16 or about. The machine weighs 800 pounds. If you need any other machines, we can order and build for you. Email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.